Exciting day today. Received a parcel which I ordered from eBay. It's some wing mirror covers for the BMW, but they're the pointy black gloss ones. So yeah, looking forward to that. I'm gonna get it open now and take a look and fit it to the car. As you can see outside, still bloody winter, so got a cup of tea with me to keep me warm, and I've got the car turned on. Can't wait for a bit of sun. Nice. Right. Keys. They're in the car. Need a key to open it. Actually, see if I can do it right now. It's only a sellotape in it. Yeah. Let's take a look, see what they are like. Okay, packaged separately. It's quite nice. A nice foam packaging as well. Oh my word. Holy crap. They look absolutely insane. Look at the gloss black on that. Wow. I like that. Oh my god, that's gonna make such a difference. Just having the little details to the car in it just makes all the difference. Wow. We're gonna get these fitted right now. Well, we need to take off the old ones. I'm assuming, put that down, keep it safe. I think you just pry off from the bottom and the plastic clips come off, but we'll have a look now. Let's go outside, let's have another cup of tea and take a look. Oh, actually, I want to see if it comes with a little pry tool, does it? No, it doesn't. That's annoying. I was hoping it might come with a little plastic trim pry tool to help get the old ones off. It's fine, we'll just have to do it for bare hands. Before we go outside, actually, and take the old ones off. Yeah, the old ones are just the blue exterior at the moment. But yeah, let's take a closer look with the camera. Look at the shine on these. You can literally see my reflection. They are so nice. So good. Right, let's get outside. Okay, so I don't actually know how these come off, but we'll have a look. I'm just going to try and pull it, see if they can grab anything. You can see the line where it separates from the plastic housing. Just trying to see if I can get my fingers in there and get enough leverage to pull it off. And this is the progress I've made. I've had to get a flathead screwdriver and slowly pry it out, and you can see these little sharp metal pins. I think that's what is pinching it in there at the moment, and it goes all the way around, even underneath. So I'm just getting a little flathead screwdriver and slowly prying it off. So my method to pry it off, because I had no plastic trim tool, so I got this tiny flathead screwdriver and I wrapped it in a bit of tissue and kitchen roll, just so when going in there prying on between the plastics, you're not scratching it. But I've got it off. Here it is. It's the original. Nice blue to be fair, but swap it now for the gloss black ones. And to double check, I think it goes that way. If you look, it is identical in terms of the bracket placements. You got these two main ones there, plus there, and that one in the middle, and this one is exactly the same. So black you can't even see it now, but there's a light. There you are. Yeah, see? So yes, exactly the same, which is great. The only difference is, I would say, is around the edges. The original one has lots of little spikes, which I assume helps keep it in even more, because they are quite sharp, to be honest. I think that's the reason it's a bit difficult to get out. But got it out in one piece without breaking it, which is good. So now it's a simple case, so this just clips on. So let's go do that right now. And with it off, you can get a better look now. You can see the 4 like pinch, what are they called? Clips. That's the one, clips. Where the pins slide into. I'm going to try this one-handed, but I think I'm going to need 2 hands for it. So I had to put the phone down a minute, so you need 2 hands to help put it in position. But that's on now, and it's looking awesome. If I take a step back, you can look at the difference now from the original blue on the right-hand side, now the new black one on the left-hand side. It looks bloody wicked. It looks sick. And just to compare this one to the original one, see this gap here? It is meant to be a gap like that. If we go round, I'll show you the other side. And as you can see, there still is about that same size gap. So we know it's in correctly. We know it's not going to come off. And now the other side successfully removed without breaking it. I didn't bother recording it because you don't need to see me prying it off slowly with a screwdriver. There's no need for that. And that's just a simple case of putting this nice gloss black one on. Again, I'll try and put it into position roughly with one hand, but you need 2 hands because you need to sort of glide the 4 pins in at the same time so it sits evenly. And there we have it, in position. The only thing I will say is now I've got the gloss black ones on, these plastic housings look grey, so I might have to grab some plastic trim restorer and see if I can make them back to black, really, so it blends in with the wing mirror covers. But with that being said, still looks absolutely awesome. What difference it makes. Just makes it look that more, I don't know, sportier, meaner. Just, it's nice customizing your own cars, isn't it? Do let me know what you think of the wing mirror covers we just fitted. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.